When owning a dog, it is always best to be prepared since you never know what can happen. Having everything you need in one place during an emergency can be a lifesaver. Here are some of the most important things to have in first aid kits for dogs. When it comes to certain emergencies, you will have to rely on professional help. Therefore, you need to have convenient access to any numbers you would possibly need. You may need the number to your vet's office or their emergency line if they're closed. The National Animal Poison Hotline may come in handy too. Speaking of poisoning, you will definitely need to take quick and decisive action if your dog gets poisoned. One of the best things to have on hand is activated charcoal. If you give it in a timely manner, it may help absorb the poisonous substance that your dog ingested. Of course, it is best that you talk to your vet or another professional before actually giving it to your dog, though. Your dog may suffer a simple scrape or abrasion that needs patching up. To keep it from getting infected, it is best to apply an antibiotic ointment to the affected area before bandaging it up. Antibiotics won't cure everything, so have some antifungal cream or spray too. In addition to simple bandages, first aid kits for dogs should also have strips of cloth of varying lengths as well as gauze. Hydrogen peroxide works wonders for many different things. For example, you can use it to clean your dog's wound if you don't have any antibiotic or antifungal cream. The solution is also useful for keeping your canine's ears clean. When using hydrogen peroxide, antibiotic cream, or something else, you will need some way to apply it to your dog. It is best to have both cotton balls and swabs in your dog first aid kit so you can handle all situations. Bandages have sticky material themselves, but gauze and strips of cloth don't. So you should also have adhesive tape in your dog first aid kit. When certain health problems arise, your dog will develop a temperature to signal something is wrong. You should have a thermometer so you can always measure your dog's temperature with ease. Look for the Reptile variety designed for dogs. The ideal temperature for canines lies roughly between 99 and 102 degrees Fahrenheit. When dealing with certain messes, you won't want to risk getting contaminated yourself. Therefore, make sure that you always have a pair of latex gloves on hand. There should also be towels to clean up any messes that your dog makes, whether it be blood or vomit. Towels can also come in handy for other reasons. You will definitely want to have a few if your dog needs to be kept warm, as is the case with hypothermia. If you need a stretcher for your dog, a towel can serve that purpose as well. Make sure that you choose a storage place that's highly convenient to access. Not only should it be cool, but it should be dry too. This means that the bathroom isn't the perfect place for first aid kits for dogs since it's frequently filled with moisture.